Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you ever experienced unbalanced audio from your AirPods, where one side is louder than the other? In this video, I'll show you some solutions that can help you easily fix this problem. Let's go. Incorrect audio configurations can also affect your device's output. To check your audio setup, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to Accessibility and scroll down to Audio or Visual. Here, make sure that the balance slider is set exactly in the middle at 0. This will ensure that the left and right audio outputs are equalized and will help prevent unbalanced sounds. For persistent software-related issues with your AirPods, resetting them is often the most effective solution. To get started, place your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid for at least 30 seconds. If your AirPods are still paired to your iPhone, follow these steps to unpair them. Open the lid again and remove your AirPods from their case. Next, open Settings on your iPhone and go to Bluetooth. Tap the Info button next to it and click Forget this device to confirm the process. When your AirPods are disconnected from your iPhone, place them back in their charging case and keep the lid open. Then, press and hold the button on the back of the case for 15 seconds until the status light flashes from white to amber or red. After that, reconnect your AirPods to your iOS device. While your AirPods are still in their charging case, keep the lid open and hold them close to your iPhone or iPad. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Please note that newer models, starting with AirPods 3 and Pro, can't be paired with a different Apple ID if they're still connected to another account they were originally paired with. To remove the iCloud lock, open Find My on your iPhone to unpair the AirPods from your previous Apple ID. In the Devices tab, select your AirPods from the list. Then tap the Remove this device button and enter your Apple ID password to unlink the AirPods from your account. If you've tried all the various methods before without success, the AirPods issue is most likely hardware related, and your AirPods probably need to be replaced. Personally, I've encountered the same problem as well. For hardware-related concerns, the best approach is to contact Apple support. You can get in touch with them either by visiting the nearest Apple Service Center or contacting them directly through their website via chat or phone call. To get started, open any browser on your iPhone or computer and visit support.apple.com. Locate and click the Get Support button. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your request. Please note that AirPods are typically not easily repaired. However, if they're still under warranty, Apple should give you new ones free of charge. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.